Hi everyone. Today we will try to model this anchor plate in AutoCAD. So when you look at this diagram, you can able to see that it is made of a square of 100 mm and you have a mid circle of 76 and 4 circles of radius 25 and 26. If we verify here, the 4 indicates that it is 4 times repeated, that is the circle is here, this side and this side. Similarly 4 times of 26 mm diameter, which is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let us try to model this in. So open your CAD. So instead of going for direct new, click the arrow, go to browse template and select your template, my template, and then click open. In this I am going to double click this and press enter, give the SX name, so exercise 2, enter. So this is anchor plate, specify this exercise name, the things, and then you close this text box. So now this part is over. Now let us try to model here. As you can able to see that, so this anchor plate is made of a square. Let us draw a square here. Go for a rectangle. So the square is, let me start from here, anywhere. The square size is 100 and 100. Type 100, press tab, type 100 again, press enter. So this is the square. In this square, you have 2 circles, one at a diameter of 26, other at a radius of 25. Let us try to draw the 2 circles. So go for circle, so center radius at this point. If this endpoint is not enabled, make sure you enable it in OSNAP. Select here, the radius is 25. Next, circle, you have circle diameter, select that. From here, the diameter is 26. So these are the 2 circles. These 2 circles has to be repeated on all the other ends also. So to do that easily, select the 2 circles, right click, copy selection, select copy selection. Now it is asking the base point in which it has to be copied. I have to copy it from the center. Select the center point of the circle. Now move your cursor wherever you want to place, go and click it there. So I want to place here, just move it here, click. Move it on this side, click. Move it on this side, click. Once this is over, press enter. So we have created that 4 circles. Next step is I have to draw another circle which is at the center. The diameter of the circle is 76. For that I have to identify the center point of that circle. So to identify the center of that circle, I will draw 2 diagonal lines, this one and this one, so that I can able to find out the center point. So this diagonal lines are only for a reference. Now go for circle diameter. This is the center point of that. Select it. Draw a circle for 76. Once this is over, delete whatever we have drawn as a construction. I don't want this line. I don't want this line. Even the square, I don't want it. Remove that. After we complete this, so you have a radius here which is connecting the circle. The radius is 65. To do that radius, so we use a command called as fillet. So you can able to see fillet command here. So this is the fillet command. You can either use this or type fillet. So type FILLET, fillet. Press enter. First thing is we have to specify the radius of the fillet. That is very important. Otherwise you won't get fillet. To specify the radius, so I have to select this radius. Select this radius or press R and then enter. For us, we required a radius of 65. So enter 65 and then press enter. Now the radius of the fillet is set to 65. Now you select the two circles, select this circle and this circle. It will create an arc. Press enter again to enable the command. Select the other two circles, press enter, select the other two, press enter and select the other two. So this completes the part. The last thing is I have to remove this circle. According to the diagram, the circle what we have drawn here has to be removed. So to do that, go to trim, TR, press enter, select whichever has to be removed. Press enter. So this completes this anchor plate. Thank you.